Hey guys, so my roommate Hannah and I lived in Midtown, and we had the same standard, like, those horrible New York City floors that everyone who lives in the city knows what I'm talking about. So as a renter, you can't make any crazy changes. So we decided to try putting contact paper on the floors. And it actually worked. We lived there for 2 years. So we had them down, and there were like small areas where, it like peeled a little bit just from the furniture, but overall it looked really good. It was only maybe like $200, $300 to do the whole floor, and everyone thought they were real marble floors. And when we moved out, we were able to easily remove it, and then we just put like a wood polish underneath to make sure the floor was perfect. We didn't want to lose anything with our security deposit, so check it out. So this is the before and this is the after. As you guys can see, we added that marble contact paper on the floor, and we also added a flex wall to give us that second bedroom space. It's a pretty popular thing to do in New York City. So yeah, on the left side you'll see the contact paper, and on the right side you'll see the original hardwood floors. So we had these down on the floor for almost 2 years. So we've been at this apartment for 2 years and decided not to renew. And you'll see me removing the contact paper from my bedroom first. There's no residue. It still had a pretty solid grip even after all this time. So yeah, as you guys can see, it didn't damage the floors at all. We did do a bit of like wood polishing after, just so, we wouldn't risk any deductions from our security deposit for, any nonsense. So I purchased the contact paper from Amazon. I would say it costs just under $300 to do the entire apartment, minus the bathroom and kitchen. And if I had to rate the removal process on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd say it was about a 4 or 5, just because it does get a little tiring after a while, just constantly pulling and, you know. And as far as actually putting the contact paper down, I'd say that was like a 2 out of 10 in difficulty. It's really easy, it's so straightforward, and the pattern, like the marble design, is really forgiving. So you can overlap, you can, kind of play around with it a little bit, and it looks seamless. So that's a really good thing. I think this is such an amazing idea for renters, especially. Of course, you can do this in your own home, but with renting there are just so many rules and restrictions. So it's affordable, it's easy, and it just changes the entire look of the space. The possibilities are endless. There's like a black marble paper, there's cement looking contact paper, just pretty much anything you can think of. So, totally up to you. If you guys have tried this out or will be trying it out, let me know. Definitely share your projects with me. And again, thank you for watching. Bye.